Harry earlier this month faced backlash after claiming he had visited the Queen to make sure she was protected and has the right people around her in an apparent jab at the royal family. Royal commentator Robert Jobson suggested the comment was a bit of a wind-up aimed at Prince William but insisted there is always love there despite the brothers' distance at the moment. Speaking to True Royalties The Royal Beat, Mr. Jobson said, "You know, with his brother, William. That was a bit of a wind-up, to suggest he, Harry, was the special one. William has a great relationship with the Queen and is very close. In fact, through the years, probably much closer because of the role he is going to play later on in life." He suggested the Queen welcoming the Duke and Duchess of Sussex to Windsor signalled attempts from the monarch to set the example to push William and other members of the royal family to seek reunification with the couple. He continued, "There is always love there. Even if there is dislike or you have fallen out with your sibling. There is that underlying love. I think there is a lot of testosterone flying around here. The fallout happened when Harry decided he wanted to get married to the love of his life, Meghan. I think there were issues with William giving him advice he didn't want to hear. They probably just need, as I am sure the Queen would love, just one moment where they can gel again, have a hug, and then move on." He added, "But it's clear that even in the meetings with Charles it was a bit fractious. The Queen was able to embrace Harry and Meghan. The Queen is doing that and is reaching out to the other members of the family to do the same."